Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the plot summary of El Filibusterismo. So, introduction. El Filibusterismo is the second novel written by Dr. Reses. It was published in 1891 as a sequel to No Limit Tangere. This novel shows the corruption and abuse during Spanish colonization in the Philippines. It focuses on revenge, justice, and social change. So, main character, Simon. Simon is a disguised identity of Crisostomo Ibarra. He returns to the Philippines as wealthy jeweler. Unlike before, he now seeks revenge against the corrupt government. He secretly plans a revolution to free the country. So, si Crisostomo Ibarra, he back in the Philippines to destroy the corrupt Spanish colonial system from within by encouraging greed and abuse, hoping to provoke the masses into a revolution. So, the students' problem. A group of Filipino students wanted to establish an academic for Spanish language. The government and friars rejected their request. The students experienced discrimination and injustice. This showed the lack of freedom for Filipinos during Spanish rule. So, atong time sa Spanish, gusto nta sa mga students nga magtukod o eskulahan para makatuon sila Spanish language. Pero ang government sa Spanish o mga praile dili mo sugod. That's why the students face unfair discrimination and this showed how little freedom Filipinos had under Spanish colonial rule.
Events. Basilio was imprisoned after being accused unfairly. Kabisang Tales became a rebel because of injustice. Paulita Gomez married Juanito Perez instead of Isagani. Many characters suffered because of greed and corruption. Simon's plans. Simon encouraged corruption and conflict to weaken the government. He planned to start a violent revolution. He used his wealth and influence to manipulate power people. His anger and desire for revenge became stronger. The wedding explosion plan. Simon planned to bomb the wedding celebration of Paulita and Juanito. The lamp filled with explosive was meant to kill important people. Isagani discovered the plan and threw the lamp in the river. The revolution failed before it even started.
Ending of the novel. Simon escaped after his failed plans were discovered. He sought refuge in the house of Padre Florentino. Before dying, Simon admitted his mistakes and failure. Padre Florentino believed the true freedom must come from worthy people. So, Simon nakarealize siya nga kanang ang pagbuhat di og revenge and violence is dili day maka-bring og kanang freedom sa country, dili pod makahatag og ka-peaceful sa ato ang nasud. Theme and lessons. The novel teaches the importance of justice and patriotism. It shows the danger and greed, revenge and corruption. Rizal emphasized peaceful freedom instead of violence. El Filibusterismo inspired Filipinos to fight for freedom. So, ang kaning lesson o ang theme ani nga kanang novel is kanang ga-emphasize siya sa patriotism, justice, and peaceful. So, kanang gihang muragi kuan ni Rizal nga i-emphasize is kanang yang ipa-realize or ipakita niya sa mga tao nga kailangan nila mo fight or kailangan nila mo stand sa ilahang own. So, in conclusion, El Filibusterismo reflects the struggles of Filipinos under Spanish rule. The story encouraged readers to love their country and seek change. Dr. Jose Rizal used the novel to expose social problems, and novel remains important in Filipino history and literature. So, Emperibesterismo is kanang hantod karon is murag ni tatak gid siya sa ato ang mga Filipino kay kuan kanang mo ni ang inway nga or remembrance na to nga kanang nagstand ta sa tong own nga nakuha nato ang freedom nga ang freedom gikan sa mga Spanish. Thank you.